In this video, we will see how Paul, a smart and alert security guard, manages the entry and exit process of an MTEL Wi-Fi service technician using the Adda Gatekeeper app. Paul opens the Adda Gatekeeper app and logs in using his unique 6-digit passcode. Each security guard has a different passcode, which can be set up through the Adda Gatekeeper module. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. At the top, you'll see key tabs. Visitor, to manage various types of visitor entries and exits. Then Staff, to manage check-ins and check-outs of staff members. Then Directory, to access the contact list of all residents. Last, Clubhouse, to manage the entry and exit from the clubhouse. Just below that, Paul can manage the visitor entry and exit. Further down, he sees categories to manage different types of visitors, such as deliveries, services, cabs, guests, and others. Since this visitor is from MTEL Wi-Fi services, Paul selects the service from the visitor category. And then he enters the service company name, MTEL Wi-Fi, in the company field and then taps on Continue. Next, Paul selects the block where the service is required, and then he selects the unit number. If the service is needed for multiple blocks or units, he can select all relevant block and unit numbers at once. Now it's time to enter the visitor's details like phone number, name, vehicle number, clicks a photo of the visitor, and then taps on Next. After tapping on Next, Paul is taken to the unit approval screen. Here, he can select the red-colored Deny button to reject the visitor's entry, or the green-colored Allow button to approve and allow the visitor to enter. Paul taps on the Allow button to let the MTEL technician enter the society. Then, he clicks on Check-in. Clicking the Check-in button sends a notification to the resident that the visitor has entered the society. Once the MTEL Wi-Fi technician completes the service and is ready to leave the society, Paul switches to the Exit tab to mark the visitor's exit. Paul selects the MTEL Wi-Fi technician's profile and then taps the orange-colored Checkout button to mark the visitor's exit. Then a confirmation pop-up appears, and he taps Checkout again to confirm. That's how Paul manages the visitor entry and exit with ease, using Adda Gatekeeper app. Thank you for watching.